Greetings from Nova Scotia, Halifax. Today's the 12th of March 2021, and if you believe the forecasters, this afternoon should be in double digits, almost 12 degrees. So I have managed to ride my motorcycle all winter. It's been a pretty mild winter for Canada purposes. I think I've got it out 3 or 4 times in January and February. Not long rides, but today I hope to get out and go a little longer. Before I go, I do want to talk about something. If you're thinking about doing long distance motorcycle rides, if you already are, you know this already, but I learned kind of late, about a year ago or so, I started noticing a ringing in my ear. I never heard of tinnitus, but it's a bit annoying, if to say the least. And so a month ago, I went and got my hearing tested and confirmed I've lost a lot in higher range, especially in my right ear. And I did have my hearing test from my Canadian Forces Release Medical from 2014, and my hearing was fine then. But since then, I started riding a lot more. Did long distance day after day on the motorcycle, and I watched a lot of YouTube videos. And they talk about safety gear, gloves, pants. They really talk about safety, but no one ever mentioned hearing. So I'm pretty sure that the motorcycle riding was the cause of me getting this tinnitus, which apparently there's not much you can do about it. So I do want to advocate for anybody out there riding who's watching for ear protection. So at the Hearing Institute, Atlantic Hearing Institute, I ordered these Burnaphone ear defenders. I want to make sure I don't get worse. And what you do is you go in and they make these things, mold them to your ears, and they have different inserts to them, different types of decibel reduction. I think mine is 25 decibels, and I've been wearing these. A couple times I've been out, you still hear the traffic, you're okay, but it reduces that wind noise that you're always exposed to for long periods of time, that I firmly believe was a result of this the hearing loss that I've sustained. So if you're out on the bike and you're going to be going day after day for long periods of time, highly recommend ear protection. So that's my advocacy for today. It's safety. These are about $240 from the Atlantic Hearing Institute, and totally worth it just to protect your hearing later on. Yeah, like when I was in Guatemala, I didn't have a car. I drove my motorcycle every day. I would go to the gym with my music in my ears all the time. So I've exposed myself to a lot of noise for a sustained amount of time. So anyway, ear defenders. You need to have them. Thanks. Enjoy the ride.
All right, let's get the party started.